Hello language learners, today we read about modal verbs and their functions. Let's get started. What are modal verbs? Modal verbs combine with other verbs to form compound verbs. A modal verb is a type of auxiliary verb that is used to indicate modality, that is, likelihood, ability, permission, possibility, etc. They give additional or specific meaning to the main verb of the sentence. Structure: subject plus modal plus verb. Let's see an example. He can drive. Modals and their functions. Sample sentences. To indicate possibility, can, could, may, might, and would are used. We can go to Rome in June because both of us have a week of work. Modal verb can is showing over here possibility of visiting Rome. Next one, could. You could cause an accident driving like that. Could is showing possibility of meeting an accident here. Number 3, it may rain. Next is might. He might have brought the cake. So there is a possibility of him buying a cake. If you met him, you would never know that he was rich. To indicate ability, which modal verbs are used? Can, will, could, and would. Let's see one example. She can speak several languages. The sentence shows that she has the ability to speak several languages. For future potential, you will be able to make your own website. For possibility, I could read when I was 4. Last one, she would write a book. We can see that can, will, could, and would show or indicate ability as well. Must, will, and shall used to indicate certainty. She must have reached. John will get more than 80% marks. Certainty and surety about John that he will get 80% marks. Next one, we shall visit Turkey this year for sure. These are the examples of certainty. To indicate probability, modal verbs might, should, and ought are used. It might rain today. Next one, the bus should be leaving. Number 3, you ought to receive an answer by next week. These are the examples showing probability. Use of can, could, and may to indicate permission. Can they go to their uncle's? Next one, could I visit the city? And third one, may I leave now? Can, could, and may are indicating permission. Now should, must, need, and ought to are used to indicate obligation. You should wake up early. We must follow all the rules. They need to study more if they want to get good grades. And number 4, you ought to finish your homework before you watch TV. These sentences are showing obligation. Used to is used to indicate past habit. For example, he used to smoke, but he gave up a few years ago. Our mother used to cook delicious meals every day. That is all about modal verbs. Hope you have understood it nicely. If you liked the video, kindly comment and share. That's all for today. Take care.